You're not tired. You're undisciplined. You scroll for hours, overstimulate your brain, avoid anything that feels real, then wonder why you feel exhausted. That's not burnout. That's weakness pretending to be fatigue. You haven't earned rest. You've been running from the work that would have strengthened you. Modern men confuse stimulation with exertion. They chase dopamine, not discipline. Comfort, not confrontation. And when reality punches back, they call it burnout. But here's the truth. If your rest feels unearned, it won't recharge you. It'll rot you. You were built to suffer, built to focus, grind, repeat, not escape. But the world trained you differently. It gave you excuses. It sold you mental health as permission to stay soft. Now every small task feels heavy. Every bit of effort feels like war. That's not depression. That's a body starving for purpose. You're not overwhelmed. You're understructured. You've never locked in. Never picked one direction and bled for it. No clarity, no urgency, no standard. Of course you feel lost. Of course you think something's wrong. But nothing is wrong, except how you've been living. You want energy? Then stop calling laziness self-care. Stop pausing your life every time it gets uncomfortable. You don't need more breaks. You need more backbone. Because rest is a reward for warriors, not an escape for cowards. Earn your rest. Train until your muscles shake. Work until your brain is spent. Create until you're empty. Then, and only then, step back. Breathe. And rebuild. But if you haven't touched the edge, you don't get to complain about the fall. Discipline is not punishment. It's purification. Every representative, every focus block, every sacrifice, it strips away your excuses. It burns off the weakness until all that's left is a man who deserves to rest. And when you do, it will feel like peace, not escape.